Hey everyone, hoping you're all doing well. Welcome back to B's Kitchen. Today I am going to show you guys how to make this delicious strawberry cheesecake. The recipe is very simple. Stay with me and let's get started. For my strawberry cheesecake recipe, I am going to use the following ingredients. I have some cream cheese, I have my strawberries, and I'm using fresh strawberries and I've just sliced them nice and thin. I also have my digestive biscuits, I have some icing sugar, double cream, vanilla extract, and melted unsalted butter. As always, all ingredients including measurements will be in the description box below. I'm going to use my vegetable blender to blend my biscuit until it is nice and smooth. If you don't have a vegetable blender and you have a food processor, you can also use that, or you can simply place the biscuit in a food bag and literally crush it with a rolling pin until it is nice and smooth. I'm using a vegetable blender, so I'm just going to blend this until it comes out really nice and smooth and fine. And as you can see, this is the consistency I am looking for. So now I'm just going to pour this into a bowl. I'm now going to add melted unsalted butter and I'll mix everything together. Now the melted butter combined with the blended biscuit, this is going to ensure that once the base of the cheesecake is layered, it stays nice and firm. I'm going to be using baking tin to layer my cheesecake. I'm not going to bake my cheesecake, however, I'm using a baking tin, and I also cut round parchment paper the same size as the bottom of my baking tin, and I'm just layered that first. I'm now going to pour the biscuit mixture in my baking tin, and next what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my spoon and firmly press down on the biscuit mixture to ensure that it creates an even layer. This is the base of the cheesecake, so I'm going to make sure that it is nice and firm and nice and leveled at the bottom. So once I layer it, everything comes up perfect. And as you can see, this is exactly what I'm looking for. So I'm going to place this in the refrigerator for 20 minutes. Now for the filling, I'm going to mix together double cream, cream cheese, icing sugar, and vanilla extract. Now using a hand mixer, I'm going to mix everything together until I have a nice thick consistency, and I'm actually doing this on medium speed. Also guys, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, kindly please click on that subscribe button. Don't forget to click on that notification bell, which will notify you whenever I post new recipes. As you can see, my cream cheese filling is nice and thick. This is exactly what I am looking for. I have stopped mixing. I've taken my biscuit base out of the refrigerator, and now I am going to scoop the cream cheese filling on top of the biscuit base. And then next what I'm going to do is I'm just going to ensure that it is nice and leveled. Now to level the cream cheese filling, I am using a spatula and I'm just gently smoothing the cream cheese down to ensure that the biscuit base is nicely covered with my cream cheese filling. And I mean, there's no technique to do this, so just gently use a spatula to just smooth it down nicely. And after leveling, look at how beautiful this cheesecake is looking already. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to layer all my strawberries on top of the cheesecake. Once I have added all my strawberries, I am going to go ahead and cover the cheesecake with cling film, and I'll allow this to refrigerate and allow it to set for about 6 hours. You can also leave it overnight. And 6 hours later, I have taken the strawberry cheesecake out of my refrigerator, and now I'm going to show you guys how beautiful this strawberry cheesecake looks. And guys, look at this cheesecake. It looks so good. I cannot wait to sit back, cut some of this cheesecake, and just enjoy it. As always, thank you so much for joining me. Please don't forget to like this video, share this video, comment below, subscribe to this channel if you have not already done so, and don't forget to click that notification bell, which will notify you every time I post new recipes like this. Enjoy your strawberry cheesecake, and I will see you next time. Bye.